Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on OnePlus 5T. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and click consent. And now you can click this button, then click OK. And now you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.